Tini here, and today I'll be showing you how to make pita bruschetta. Please like and subscribe to see more of my videos. So for the ingredients, you will need a pita, 6 sliced cherry tomatoes, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, 6 fresh basil leaves, and a drizzle of olive oil. Before we get started, we are going to preheat the oven at 350. Next, we are going to take these cherry tomatoes and put them like this so that they don't roll off. We're going to place them all around the pita. Next, we are going to take our mozzarella cheese and we're going to pour it over the tomatoes. You may not need the entire 1/2 cup depending on how much cheese you would like on it. Now if the oven is done preheating, we're going to put aluminum foil on our sheet pan for easy cleanup. We are then going to put the pan in the oven for 4 minutes. We will be using our olive oil and basil leaves after the pita is done cooking. Now we are going to take our basil leaves and put them on top of our pita. Next, we're going to take our olive oil and we're going to drizzle it on top of the pita. I hope you enjoy your delicious snack. Please like and subscribe to see more of my videos. Until next time.